How to solve this exponential equation 10 power x plus 100 power x is equal to 1000 power x. Find the value of x. So, at first we divided by 10 power x in both sides. So, divided by 10 power x divided by 10 power x divided by 10 power x. Now, this 10 power x will be cancelled. So, here 1 plus here x same power but different ways. So, I apply this formula a power n over b power n is equal to a by b bracket common power n. So, according to this formula it will be 100 over 10 bracket common power x is equal to x same power but different ways. So, we apply this formula. So, it will be 1000 over 10 bracket common power x. Now, 1 plus 100 divided by 10, that means it will be 10 power of x is equal to 1000 divided by 10, that means it will be 100 power of x. Now, we can write here 100 power x is equal to 1 plus 10 power x. Now, 100 power x can be written as 10 power 2 bracket power of x is equal to 1 plus 10 power x. Now, here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power of m. So, it will be 10 power x bracket power of 2. This plus 10 power x take to the left side. So, this will be minus 10 power x, and also this plus 1 take to the left side. So, this will be minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we see 10 power x both term is same. So, let 10 power x is substituted by k. So, this equation will be k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, here you can apply quadratic formula. So, you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1, then c will be equal to minus 1. Now, we can write here k is equal to minus b, that means negative 1. So, it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means negative 1. So, it will be bracket negative 1 divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now, we can write here k is equal to minus times negative 1, that means it will be positive 1 plus or minus a square root of negative 1 bracket square, that means positive 1, minus times minus, that means plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now, we see here two cases. So, you can write here k is equal to 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5 divided by 2, or k is equal to 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5 divided by 2. Now, remember that let 10 power x is substituted by k. So, k, that means it will be 10 power x. So, k, that means 10 power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or k, that means 10 power x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, this power x, imagine that any number. So, 10 power any number is always positive, but 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So, positive cannot be equal to negative. So, this is rejected. Now, from here we apply log in both sides. We can write here log of 10 power x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, this power x will move to the base. So, it will be x log 10 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now, we need the value of x. So, I divided by log 10 in both sides. So, divided by log 10 divided by log 10. Now, this log 10 will be cancelled. So, x will be equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then divided by log 10 is same as 1. We know that log 10 is equal to 1. The value of log 10 is 1. So, here log 10, that means 1. So, our final answer will be x is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2.